With this virus causing all my outside activities to be cancelled, I now have a lot of free time. I decided to design my own K'NEX model as shown here. All of my other K'NEX projects on YouTube have been built from other people's designs, either from K'NEX kits or from the Instructables.com website. This is the third version of the lift. I was not happy with the first two. It also returns the balls to the entrance ramp and runs continuously. This is the entrance ramp. There are three little things I had to do to make sure the ball stays centered on the track and that the arm can pick it up. These four Y connectors stop the ball from leaning against here and keep them in the middle there. These stop them from running down here, and so the ball, when it's picked up, is pushed back and held until the arm can catch it. This had to stick out just a little bit because occasionally the balls would stick here, the arm would come along and it would kick this ball, the second one, off. But with this here, it stops it from moving away. This is the exit ramp from the arm, and I found a way to improve it just a little bit. Normally it would just sit there on its own, but I added this in the back with two spaces on either side and a clip here. This then sits back and is held in the right position. You can also adjust this by moving this back or forth depending on the number of spaces before and after it. So you may want to have one spacer here and 5 spacing here, or in this case 3 and 3 right in the middle. That seems to work perfectly for the speed of this motor.